Kubor na Khlem jong Nongsan Hima.
Uba Lahkmen Remboi Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih jong ka Sorkar Jella habakren cakelat pathai khubor ha kabe dei bat ke jeng dawa ba udei ban Hiar Shuki uba Remboi ula ong ba unam resign ne e no yakakam Namaru ong Kaei kabalajia omdei ka bama u ulale bat kumno un Hiar Shuki bat udan hang ne ban sngap bat le yakimat jeng dawa bat kia trei langru ban weng ya ki jeng e
I will not resign because whatever happened, it is not because what I am doing. Why should I resign?
Your party members also demanded there are some reports.
I don't know. But I'm here not to quit.
So, sir, don't you think you are being made the sacrificial lamb?
Sacrificial lamb. We are working here collectively as the government to solve the issue concerning the state. So it is not like the term sacrificial lamb, but this responsibility is there. So we work together, and whatever we can, we could solve. Whatever we cannot, we are very blunt in saying that what we cannot do, we will face it.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.